this video we'll be studying about Ohm's law vector form. Right. See, suppose this is your conductor is being connected across battery having potential V. Right. Let's say its length is L, resistivity is rho, resistance is R. Okay. Suppose electric field E is set up and then, right, and if current I originates from here, will be I. Okay, you know that resistance will be ml by ne square a tau. Okay, this resistance is what? V upon I equal to ml upon ne square a tau. Okay. Now if you transpose this L to this side and I to this side, V by L equal to m upon ne square tau into I by A. Right, this I by A is what? It is J. Right, this is what? Rho, and this V by L, it is what? Electric field E. Right, so from here you can write E is equals to rho to J. Okay, this if you write in vector form, this will be vector E is equal to rho dot vector J. Okay, means vector J is equals to 1 by rho into vector E. This is what? Sigma. From here vector J will be sigma into vector E. Sigma is what? 1 by rho, means conductivity. This is what? Conductivity. Right, don't confuse with surface charge density. Okay, conductivity. Right, J is your linear charge density, E is your electric field which is being set. This result vector J is equals to sigma into vector E. This result is known as Ohm's law in vector form. Ohm's law in vector form. Okay, or you can say in microscopic form. Right, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.